And so we're back. So we're going to Pusurubio, Pangasinan to visit our tropa because hindi pala she he crashed last time last week. That's why we're going to visit him. Grabe, ang layo ng preno ko sa harap po. Hindi ko maabot. O kailangan talaga ng kailangan talaga ng adjustable na lever. So shout out to all of the people there that we're going to passing. Alright? So let's go. This is another one. Twice again. Shout out to you, Lola. So pag-usapan natin yan about sa vlog natin ngayon para may kwento naman about this racing for oil, no? So hindi siya advisable dito sa public roads, lalo pag sementado kasi matagtag talaga. Kasi may tropa tayong domestic dito, domestic ng racing for oil. So yun nga nagiging calls niya. Nagiging kasi talagang matagtag talaga pag sementado, no? Kaya hindi siya advisable for public roads. Ang sakit-sakit sa kasu-kasuan. Kaya so we are now in San Quintin, Pangasinan. So shout out sa mga madadaanan nating bayan dyan. Sayang dito ay dito sa favorite curve natin. Okay, ito.